Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm Sherry Van Dusen, and this was my dad's house, and this was probably the worst disaster in the entire history of Colorado Springs. This house had, the sewer was backed up, the plumbing was broken, there was like mold coming up in the walls in the basement, there was trash stacked up to the ceiling. This place was a total disaster, and my real estate agent recommended Joe of Ameridry, and I'm really glad she did, because they came in here and they just did a totally awesome job. They cleaned this place up so fast. I couldn't believe how fast and what a great job that they did in this house. It's just nothing short of amazing, and I'm really happy, and I recommend them, and their bid extremely reasonable too. They underbid everybody else that I talked to, and they're great. And so, yeah, give them a call. They did an awesome job.
All right.
Thank you.